Welcome to another Whiteboard Chat short tutorial. In today's video, we will focus on 3 features that make creating boards so much easier. Copy and paste, replication, and also how to send and copy a board. Let's jump right into it. You can use the copy and paste feature to select text or objects from one page to be duplicated on another. By using the lasso, encircle the objects that you would like copied, then choose copy from the drop-down, and you can easily paste it to as many pages as you would like by selecting Control-V. With the Replication Off feature, teachers can continue editing a student's board as they work in live play. To do so, click the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner, then toggle Replication to Students, type in the text. When done, click Enable, then lasso the text that was recently added, and you'll notice that it automatically appears on the student's board. To share or save a copy of a board that you've created, you can do so by selecting the mini cloud at the top of the board. Once the drop-down opens, select Send a Copy, and a link will be provided. Make a copy of the link, and you can open it up into another browser. As you can see here, this is an exact copy of the duplicated board. To make a copy to be added to your personal collection of boards, follow the same process by clicking the cloud above, select Save a Copy, give the board a name. Don't forget to save it, and then it appears in your list of boards. And here it is opened up, and as you can see, it is an exact copy. As always, thanks for watching, and to continue to support my channel, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.